Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to view your Google search history. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to just simply open up Google on your mobile phone, or you guys can open up myactivity.google.com on any of your browser. So I'll suggest you to open up with Google app. So after opening up Google application, you guys have to just make sure that your correct account is logged in with the Google account. So in this way, you guys can get the search history of that specific account. So you guys have to just simply tap on the top right of your profile icon, and here you guys have to just simply click on search history. So after clicking on search history, it will provide you all the search history of your Google account. So you guys can delete the history by just tapping on this delete button, or you guys can delete the specific custom range, or you guys can delete all the history, or you guys can schedule the specific search by just tapping on this calendar icon. And here you guys have to just specify the date, and you guys can get the specific search history of the date. And here by tapping on this magnifying glass, you guys can search the specific search from the history. So if you are unable to find this history button here, so don't worry about it. I'll tell you how you can find this history button. So you guys have to just simply open up Google app, and here you guys have to just simply tap on the top right of your profile icon, and here you guys have to just simply click on the manage your Google account. So here you guys have to just simply go to data and privacy section, and here you guys have to just simply scroll down, and you guys can click on web and app activity. And here in the web and app activity, here you guys have to just simply scroll down, and you guys have to just simply select the Google icon. So after selecting the Google icon, here you guys will be able to see the search history of all your Google account, and in this way you guys can delete, remove, modify, or find any specific search history on Google. And I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.